Indiana continues to lag behind our neighboring states when it comes to COVID-19 vaccinations, but Governor Holcomb says he's still opposed to a vaccine lottery, as we've seen in other states. He covered several topics while talking with reporters today. Among those reporters, Fox 59 State House correspondent Kristen Eskow, who spoke with the governor about those vaccines and his ongoing battle with the General Assembly. Kristen, what did the governor have to say today?
Well, Dan, this was the first time we've spoken to the governor since a hearing related to his lawsuit earlier this week. It's one of the many topics he spoke on, including why he thinks lottery incentives aren't the way to get Hoosiers vaccinated.
It seems to me that the closer we can get to different individuals around our respective states, the more effective it is.
Governor Eric Holcomb says he's focused on getting the vaccine into more Indiana neighborhoods and working with community leaders to encourage vaccination instead of offering incentives.
How do you encourage people to take advantage of that access if they don't see any incentive?
It's a slog, and it's going to be a grind. And, you know, there is I can't change reality. If there are some people who are just dead set against it, it's their personal responsibility.
Governor Holcomb believes more Hoosiers will choose to get the shot once it gets full FDA approval. Although he didn't stop Indiana University's vaccine mandate, Holcomb says he's against public institutions requiring the vaccine.
I do support private businesses making that call, but not public institutions.
Thursday marked our first time speaking with Holcomb since Attorney General Todd Rokita filed a motion to have the governor's lawsuit against the General Assembly thrown out. The chief executive and chief law enforcement officer are at odds over whether Holcomb can hire his own lawyers to try to stop a law that allows the legislature to call itself into session.
How would you describe your relationship right now with the Attorney General?
We're friends. We have an honest disagreement about a constitutional issue, but I'm not against whatsoever the legislature coming back and dealing with this. One, I'd call them back. Two, I offered that. Three, there's a constitutional amendment process.
Now, I asked the governor about how he felt about yesterday's hearing regarding that lawsuit. He wasn't in the room, but told me he's happy with the outside legal representation he has hired and is waiting to see how things play out in court. In the newsroom, Kristen Eskow, Fox 59 News.
Kristen, thank you so much.